Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain the complete step-by-step process of applying for a police clearance certificate from Canada for India. If you are preparing for your permanent residency, then this document is mandatory, and this video will give you complete clarity on that. I will explain the different ways you can apply the exact documents that you need, the fees and payment methods, and the common mistakes that can delay your application. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do and how to do it correctly. So let's get started. As you can see on the IRCC website that there are actually 4 different ways to apply for a police clearance certificate. If you are physically in India, you have total 2 options. First, you can apply through your local district police station, and the second option is you can apply through the passport office. Both of these options are only available if you are in India, and therefore we will not discuss them in this video. But if you are living in Canada, then the process is completely different. Here in Canada, you can have 2 options. Either you can apply through the Indian Embassy or consulate, and the application will be handled by BLS International, or you can directly submit your application at BLS International Center. So basically, there are 2 options available for applicants who are applying from India, and 2 options available for applicants who are applying from Canada. So now let's talk about how we can apply through BLS International. First of all, open Google and then search for BLS International, and then click on the first link. Once the website opens, you will see 3 jurisdictions, Toronto, Ottawa, and Vancouver. Now, depending on where you live, select your jurisdictions and click on proceed. For this video, we'll just click on Toronto jurisdiction. After that, at the top of the page, you will see the passport service tab. Just click on that, and then select on police clearance certificate. On this page, you will find complete information about PCC, including the application fees, document requirements, processing time, and the application forms as well. Now let's talk about the application fees. As you can see on the screen that the total fee for the PCC is 38 Canadian dollar and 70 cents. It doesn't matter whether you have an Indian passport, a Canadian passport, or any other foreign passport. The fee is the same for everyone, and this fee includes consular fee, consular surcharge, and it also includes BLS fee as well. Now, when you scroll down, you can see how you can pay the PCC fee. There are total 2 ways you can pay for it. The first option is in person at a BLS center. You can pay either using a debit card or cash. The second option is by mail or courier services. In this case, you need to prepare a demand draft or money order in favor of BLS International Services Canada. If you choose the mail option, you will need to send the demand draft along with all your documents to the BLS center. Now let's look at the document requirements. On the BLS website, there is a checklist specifically for Indian citizens. So click on that and it will open a PDF for you. As you can see that step 1 is filling up the application, and you have to fill that online. We will talk about that in a moment. Step 2 is preparing all your documents. Once you complete the online application, it will generate a form for you, and you will need to print that form and sign on it. Then you will need your valid Indian passport, and you will need both original and photocopy as well. Next, you will have to provide proof of address in Canada. You can use either a driver's license or maybe utility bill. You will also need proof of your valid status in Canada. Most of you will have a work permit in Canada for this. Then you will also need a digital and physical copy of your passport size photo. And to check the specification of your photograph, just click on this link, and as you can see that the dimension of the photograph should be 630 by 810 pixels. If you have a bigger size of photograph, just use any kind of online tool to resize the dimensions. Now step 3 is submitting all your documents to a BLS center. Make sure that when you submit all these documents to BLS, they are in the same order as mentioned in the checklist. There are total two different ways that you can submit documents to them. First is in person, either by walking in or by booking a premium launch appointment with BLS. If you decide to walk in, just take all your documents, including photocopies, and they will verify them and return the originals to you. If you have a premium launch appointment with them, you don't have to worry about anything. They will help you to prepare your application. The premium launch service will cost you around 140 Canadian dollars, and that includes the application fee and return courier for your PCC as well. And the second option is sending all your documents to BLS by using courier services, or even you can send them by Canada Post as well. Now let's talk about the processing time for your PCC. Currently, as you can see that the processing time is about 8 weeks, and in some cases it might take longer than that depending on the verification process. Now let's check how to fill the application form for the police clearance certificate. Now for that, just click on Passport India portal link, and it will open the portal. If you already have an account with them, just log in with your email ID and password. And if you don't have an account yet, just click on register now. During registration, you will need to select your embassy or consulate. After that, enter your given name and surname. Fill in your date of birth and email address. After that, create your login ID and password. Then select hint question and provide answer for that. And once all of this is done, just click on sign up, and then your account will be ready to use. Once you have logged in, then go to the service tab and then click on the police clearance certificate. Here you will have two options. If you want the system to fetch your details automatically, then enter your passport number and then provide your date of birth, and then continue. If you prefer to fill all the details manually, then just click on skip for now. Now step 1 is passport details. So for that, first of all, select the purpose for which PCC is required. So in our case, that would be immigration purposes other than citizenship. After that, select the country for which PCC is required. So for that, we will select Canada, and then enter your passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue, and then file number. And after that, click on next. Now step 2 is applicant details. Here you need to enter your given name and then surname. Then select your gender. After that, select your date of birth and provide place of birth. Then select your marital status, select employment type, and then whatever educational qualifications you have, then just select on that. Uh, After that, write your Aadhaar card number, and then just click on next. Now in step 3, you need to provide the details about your family. So you need to provide your father's and mother's given name and surname. And if you have any guardian, then provide the details of them, and then just click on next. In step 4, you need to provide the present residential address for both India and Canada. So start with your Indian address, and then select your nearest police station, and then after that, provide your present address in Canada, and then just click on next. Step 5 is criminal background, so select the option according to your situation. If you have any criminal background, then select yes, otherwise just click on no, and then click on next. Now, step 6 is verification. So here you make sure review all your details carefully, and even if you do a single mistake, then it will delay your application. So therefore verify everything 2 to 3 times to be on safe side. Now in step 7, once again you verify all the details carefully, and then in last just provide the name of place from where you are applying, for example Brampton, and then click on submit. That will submit your PCC application. So once you submit your application online, the next thing you need to do is to generate your application form. But before you do that, you first need to upload all your supporting documents, your photo, and your signature as well. Now for that, just click on these 3 dots and select on upload supporting documents. Now here, by selecting the category and subcategory, you can upload your documents. But make sure that you need to upload only self-attested photocopy. You don't need to upload your originals here. Now after that, you need to click on upload recent photograph and signature. You can also see the specs for your photo and signature here, so make sure that your uploads match those requirements. After you upload all your documents, the system will allow you to generate application form. Now you need to print that form and attach your passport size photograph on it. When it comes to submitting your documents to BLS, as I mentioned earlier, you still have 2 options. Either you walk into a BLS center with your original documents and photocopies, or else you can use the UPS pickup and drop off service. For that, you need to call on this number, and they will organize that for you. Usually it will cost you around 80 Canadian dollars. So basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please share it with your friends as well. And if you are preparing for your permanent residency, then just don't wait. Apply for your police clearance certificate as early as possible, because in some cases it might take time. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in next one.